oh, I guess that means my YouTube is doing well. I'm getting negative comments. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Passion for those of you who are new here, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and this is more so just a chit chat. I feel like I haven't really sat down and talked to y'all in a while, so that's what I want to do today. So if you are interested in seeing that, keep watching. My mirror is over here, so if you see me like looking over here, it's because I'm looking in my mirror to make sure that I'm putting everything where it needs to be. So I'm just doing this get ready with me because as I mentioned, I'm about to film a wine taste with me video, and so I wanted to do my makeup for that. Or did I mention that? I don't remember if I told y'all, but I'm about to film a wine taste with me video, so I figured let's do a little get ready with me and we can like chit chat while I prepare for that video. So like, what have y'all been up to? What is the hot gossip? What's tea? I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in like a minute. Oh, I'm almost out of concealer. I feel like I really haven't talked to y'all, and like I wanted to come up here and just talk. COVID cases are rising. I'm hearing things are like getting worse. And you know, I feel like the government don't want us to know that, y'all. So they haven't really told us that. So I'm kind of like, I feel a little bit anxious about that because I don't want to go on another lockdown. I don't. But if that's what we need, then I get it. But I really don't. Because everybody has been outside. Like, not everybody's being safe. You know, I know the CDC said, like, if you're fully vaccinated, you don't have to wear your mask anymore. Well, people taking their mask off who are not fully vaccinated. I don't like that. Like, it's people who can't spell vaccine that don't take their mask off. And it's like, you know darn well. Now, why you took your mask off? You ain't got no vaccine. Baby, it's mask on for me. I just want them to get this figured out. Like, they're talking about like COVID Gamma and COVID Delta. And I'm like, y'all need to figure that out first. So I don't know which vaccine to get that will help protect me from COVID Gamma, Delta, Beta, Eta, Iota, Kappa, all of that. I feel like we are in a period of time where, I don't know, I feel like it's an awakening. You know, I feel like we're in like an awakened part of time where everyone's just kind of like coming into themselves. It seems that way, at least. Like, I love this era that Black women are in. Like, I love this boss era that Black women are in. I absolutely love it. And like, I got on TikTok, and I've been on TikTok now for a couple of months, and I feel like I've just been introduced to so many different things, and I'm like seeing what people are doing, because I wasn't on TikTok before. I was just on Instagram. Instagram is Flexigram. Like, everybody's flexing on Instagram. Now, people are flexing on TikTok too, don't get me wrong, but I feel like, I don't know, TikTok just feels a lot more authentic than Instagram does, because you know, Instagram is the app of illusions. Since I've been on TikTok, I've just been introduced to like this new world. This very much so a woke world, but it's like woke in a different way. And I love it. I love that so many people are speaking out and sharing their thoughts and their feelings. I feel like the vast majority of Black women are just so like, like, you know, like we are just in an era where Black women are just on, like, we're doing our thing, y'all. Like, Black women are supreme. We are ruling the world, and I love it. I absolutely love it, and I just want this to continue. And I feel like if you are a Black woman and you haven't like tapped into your power yet, you know what I mean, like tapped into your potential, tapped into what you were put on this earth to do, I feel like now is the time. Like, now is the time for you to really tap into your full potential. And let me tell you something. You do not have to run like a boutique, right? You don't have to do hair. You don't have to do lashes. You don't have to do nails. You don't have to do makeup. You don't have to sell clothes. There's so much more. You don't have to do that. And I feel like when we talk about entrepreneurship in the Black community, that's the first thing people think of. Oh, I gotta go a lot of women, that's the first thing we think about is, oh, I gotta have a boutique. Oh, I gotta go do, like, no, there's so many other things that you can do, so many other businesses that you can start, so many other ways to be an entrepreneur. You do not have to follow what everybody else is doing. Let me tell you that. So definitely don't think that you have to do that. Like, if you don't want to do that, don't do that. Because what you're going to end up doing, like what I found myself end up doing is, because I've had 2 boutiques now, 1 boutique and 1 lash boutique. And what I found myself doing was doing this just to make money. And I'm like, okay, I'm doing this just to get money. And from my Passions Closet boutique, like, I made a good amount of money from that, y'all. More than I ever thought that I would make when I started it. I made a lot of money from that, but it's not what I wanted to do. My heart wasn't in it. And I told myself that I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have Passions Closet. And then when I don't want to do it anymore, when I don't care about it, when I'm not constantly purchasing and posting merchandise for sale. Like, when I told myself, when I got to the point where it became a burden to me, then I wasn't going to do it anymore. And that's what happened, and that's why I ended up shutting it down. But I still sell on Poshmark and Mercari for those of you who are interested. And I do have those links down in my description box if you want to go check it out to see what I have. And so I just want everybody to know that, like, you do not have to do that to be an entrepreneur. There are so many ways you can be an entrepreneur. So many industries you can become an entrepreneur in. Please don't think that you gotta do hair, nails, or lashes or sell clothes to be an entrepreneur, because you don't. And to those, or hair, or selling hair. And for those who are doing that and you love it and you enjoy it, and that it was meant for you to do it, but it's not meant for everyone to do it. But I really feel like we are in like a reconstruction era. Like, I really feel like we are Black people. I feel like we're in a good space right now as far as making money, trying to make money, or, you know, trying to create generational wealth for ourselves, or even if you're not trying to create generational wealth, you're just trying to get rich. I still feel like we're in a good space for that right now. Y'all, I feel like I be like leaning in, leaning back, leaning to the side while I'm doing my makeup, but like, I have to make sure I can see. I haven't figured out how to hook my camera up to my computer to use my computer as a monitor yet. I haven't really figured that out yet. So I use my mirror, and then, so I have 2 mirrors. There's a mirror here and a mirror here. So I use both of these mirrors, and then I use my viewfinder on my camera. So sorry if I'm always like leaning in, leaning out, because I'm trying to see. If y'all watch Brianna Monique on YouTube, she was talking about how like makeup videos are dying, and people aren't really watching makeup videos anymore. I think that's true and false. So true and false, because I've been seeing on like my recommended page on YouTube so many makeup videos that are still getting like 1 million views that were filmed like 3 days ago, 2 days ago. So I do think makeup videos are like not as popular as they used to be. I think, I definitely think they're not as popular as they used to be, but I don't know if they're dying. I think the format of makeup videos, the way that people used to do it, when they sit down and go, okay, I'm using this, and I'm using this, and I put it here, and then I do that. I think that might be dying. Y'all know how to do y'all makeup at this point. Like, y'all know, a lot of y'all know how to do y'all makeup at this point. So there really isn't a need for like a tutorial unless you're doing something like spectacular, you know, or unless you're showing us a new technique, or unless you're showing us how to do certain things. I feel like there really isn't a need for like a tutorial anymore. But I feel like makeup is moving into like very, very lightweight. Like, everyone wants to wear those no makeup looks. Like, that's what a lot of people are wanting to wear, because those are the videos that I mentioned that I'm seeing on my explore page. I'm not on Instagram. The videos that I'm seeing on my recommended page, those are the kind of videos that I'm seeing. They're very much so like an everyday beat. They're very much so like how to do a no makeup look. Those are the kind of videos, or like how to have glowy skin, like the best foundation for glowy natural looking skin. Those are the kind of videos that I'm seeing. And so I think those are the videos that people want to see now. My brushes are filthy. Like, my brushes are always filthy though. Like, I really need to do better with cleaning my brushes. They're always dirty. They're filthy. Well, y'all, I think my channel is growing. Let me tell you why. So I think my channel's growing because I'm starting to get like hate comments and like mean comments on my videos. So I guess that means my channel's doing well. Here on YouTube, I guess that's what that means when you start getting like negative comments. That means more people are seeing your videos, because I've noticed that my impressions are much higher than what they used to be. So that tells me that more people are seeing my video. Instagram is pushing. Why do I keep saying Instagram? YouTube is pushing my video out to more people. My videos are getting shown to more people. So I guess, you know, I guess that's a good thing, because y'all, people are like leaving me nasty. I get negative comments, but I do not see myself being that person that will argue with folks in their comments. Like, that's not me. I'm not doing that. You can leave your negative comments and it will sit there. I'm not responding. I'm not engaging with your negativity. I'm gonna leave these comments up. Like, you know, it's a part of my YouTube journey. So I'm gonna leave these comments up, and so if y'all see them, if I get any more negative comments, which I'm sure I will, I'm leaving them up because I want y'all to see what the comments say. It's like, oh, I guess that means my YouTube is doing well. I'm getting negative comments. I'm doing good. The journey of a YouTuber, right? Like, this is the stuff that we, small YouTubers, this is the stuff that we kind of look forward to. Like, ooh, I'm getting negative comments. If someone comments on your video, be it positive or negative, it's gonna boost your engagement. So I don't care. Like, I don't care about the negative comments. I just at one point didn't want them to show, because I'm like, this is such a peaceful environment. I don't want negative comments to show. But realistically, like, they don't know me. I don't care what they have to say. Like, they know nothing about me. So, but my mind is like, that's my mindset. Then one lady was trying to call me bald-headed, and like, ma'am, I've been wearing my hair in a bun for like 2 months now. My hair is like, I have hair. It's in a bun. I have hair videos on my channel. I have hair. Like, she was trying to like low-key say I was bald-headed. Like, ma'am, I have hair. It's just pulled back into a bun. If you can't understand that, or if you can't see that, that's not my fault. Like, if your brain didn't help you comprehend that, that's not my fault. So I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm just gonna ignore your comment or say thank you for watching this video. Do y'all put blush on y'all nose? I do. I like my nose to be a little bit red. Not too red. I don't wanna look like a clown, but I like my nose to be a little bit red. This is basically it. I'm just gonna put on some mascara. I'm not doing lashes. I am not putting on any lashes because, like I mentioned, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just doing my makeup for a video, and I'm not gonna do lashes. So this is basically the look. It's my usual look. Like, all my makeup looks are the same, y'all. This is how I do my makeup. This is how I know to do my makeup. So all my makeup looks are the same. Like, you're not gonna get any spectacular makeup looks from me. Everything is going to be very, very everyday, very, very simple, unless I do like a color on my lips or something. If I'm going somewhere, like, I might do a different color other than brown, or I might do lashes, or I might do like highlight or something. But if I'm just home, or just like today doing my makeup just for another video, like, it's just gonna be very simple. Ooh. I hate when it does that, when it's going low and then it squirts out, because now I'm gonna have dots on my face and I'm gonna have to let it dry so I can blend it out. Ugh, yeah. Just my luck, right? Ugh, okay, yeah, that's done. So I'm gonna add some of this on top just so it's set. This is the finished look. As I mentioned, it's very everyday, it's very simple, it's very pedestrian, it's giving I'm at home, I'm not going anywhere, I'm not doing anything. And that's my vibe. And so this is a finished makeup look. So be sure to comment down below, be sure to rate this video, and be sure to subscribe. Y'all, I'm growing here on YouTube and I like it. I'm growing very slowly, but it's very organic and I love that. So I would rather have a loyal organic following than like a lot of people who don't really want to follow me, you know, and talk trash and cuss me out in my comments all the time. Yeah, so thank you to all of my followers. I love y'all. Thank you guys so much. And it's up from here. We're just going to continue to grow. So thank you guys again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.